their number one favorite argument, okay? The favorite argument of a meat eater is vegans don't get enough protein and don't get enough amino acids, right? That's what they tell us. But let's look at it from this perspective. The same meat that they eat, the same animals that they eat, where do these animals get their protein from? Okay, to build up their muscles and to build up their bodies. Guess what? The fucking cow is eating it right now. It's the grass. Okay? The herbivores. Okay? You know how they get big and strong? It's because they eat the vegetation from the earth, so they become big and strong just like the fucking earth. Okay? So, you meat eaters, you get your protein and your amino acids from an animal who gets its protein and amino acids from the damn plants. And if you really want to get technical, there's no such thing as protein, okay? Protein is just another word for a mineral. Protein is just another word for a mineral, okay? And I'm going to prove that right now. Amino acids. Meat eaters say that plant eaters don't get amino acids. So let's break down what an amino acid really is. The key elements of an amino acid are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? Because when we look at plants, okay, when we look at plants, plants are the biggest producers of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Okay? That is found mostly in abundance in plant life on the earth. Okay? So, I just showed you the makeup of these amino acids. So when you say that vegans don't get the proper amino acids, you are fooling yourself. You are fooling yourself, meat eaters. Okay? Here's how else you're fooling yourself. The same meat that you consume from this animal, it's liquefying in your mouth. Then after it liquefies in your mouth, it goes down in your stomach. Okay? Then it goes down into your intestines, and then the intestines pull the liquid makeup, okay, of this into your bloodstream. When this happens, the DNA of this animal gets placed into your bloodstream. So you have animal DNA being placed in your bloodstream, okay? You have the other chunks of meat that get clogged up and backed up in your intestinal tract, okay, and give you a clogged colon, all right? And the hormones from this animal blood gets placed in your DNA, which makes you more like this animal. Okay, and then you have a clogged colon, clogged intestines, and you also have parasites in your clogged intestines because the meat that you did eat was rotting on a butcher's shelf for months, okay, before it got bagged up in the grocery section in the grocery store. Okay? These slabs of meat, they rot for weeks. They rot for weeks before they are sent to the grocery stores. Okay? And that's how the fucking, the maggots and the maggot eggs are already there, okay, before you even cook it. Even when you do cook it, there's still microorganisms that do your body harm, you see? You see? All kinds of worms. I already had a video out in the past that, proved sushi, anyone who eats sushi has guaranteed parasites in their body.